In the last video, I showed you how I got funded in only 2 days, and then I showed you once I was past every trade it took me to then get my first ever payout, and I did this in all under a week. I want to show you how I'm now passing prop firm challenges in just 2 fucking days and receiving payouts. As you can see here, this account was created on October the 7th. It's now October the 10th filming this. This account is now passed. Now, this time, I'm going to document myself going from 1 account to 5. It's called max allocation. Now I'm going to document in real time me getting 5 accounts on TopStep. In this video, I'm going to show you me buying the accounts, taking the trade on today's trade, which is a bank holiday, by the way. And I'm going to show you everything. And I'm then going to show you how much we can make with 5 accounts. So if you ain't already, sub the fuck up. And then the big goal is to get the first ever payout on 5 accounts and make some fucking bread. Because I ain't trying to play around with this shit no more. I got in this shit to change my fucking life. I don't know about you, bro, but I want big things. I want to fly here, fly there, travel the world, eat where I want, when I want. I want to listen to no fucking idiot telling me when I can and can't go to the fucking toilet and when I have to come into work and when I have to leave and all this bullshit and rush hour traffic. Fuck all of that, man. And I'm going to document all of this from the ground up. Just understand I was on a demo account in May. When I first started this YouTube channel, I was posting on a demo account. Not even real money, bro. And now I'm offered 250k in funding, and I'm going to show you all it's fucking possible in real time. So if you aren't ready, sub the fuck up, follow the journey. Boys, let's get into this fucking video. Give it a sec, give it a sec, give it a sec, give it a sec, give it a sec. So I put this on my Instagram story, right? It says, today is October the 1st. My goal before the end of the year is to acquire 250k across my accounts, right? TopStep, 50k, you can only have 5 accounts max. It's called max allocation, right? Just to give you an idea of how much you can make when max allocated with TopStep, this is what I'm going to show you, right? As you've all seen in the last video, it's just got 5,000 views, right? In this video, I all showed you me passing a funded account. I also showed you all my fucking login details like a dickhead, but nevertheless, right? I showed you how I passed the account. I showed you me get my first payout, and I showed you and I learned lessons from this, right? And you know what? I've just sat, and it's over the weekend now, so this is Sunday, and I'm sat there, my girlfriend's cooking food in the kitchen. I'm like, talking about all these things I want to do and be able to go and see you and shit like that. And I'm like, am I a dickhead? I need to take this limiting belief off my head and be like, oh, my goal's 250k by the end of the year. I'm sat and I'm like, you know what? Why the fuck wait till the end of the year? Why don't I just go get this shit this week? I'm like, yo, fuck this. So literally, boys, I've just bought another 3 accounts. I'm going to buy the 5th account now. And I'm going to try and pass them all this week. I'm going to try and get 250k funding this week. Like, why fuck around? Why wait around? Oh, fuck this. I ain't waiting around. I'm off to go take what's mine. So I'm going to go in right now. You motherfuckers think I'm crazy. I don't give a fuck. This is what's up. This is what's happening. I do not care. If I can't take a risk on myself and I can't bet on myself, then I ain't going to win anyway. So fuck it. There it is. There it is. So look, there it is, boys. I've literally just applied for fucking max allocation. This year I told myself I'm going to lock in. I'm not giving a fuck about what anyone's got to say, what anyone's got to do, what anybody else is doing. I'm going to do my shit. Fuck all your limiting beliefs. Fuck all your bad habits. I'm going to do my shit. Stay in my own lane. Lock the fuck in. Document the whole thing. And I'm going to show you, man, that this shit is possible. Do not give a fuck. So yeah, boys, going into next week on a fucking Madden. 5 accounts, you know. This is going to be fucking fun, right? Just come on. Market opens in literally like 3 minutes. So what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to start off by trying to pass another 4 accounts. So we're going for max allocation, boys. I swear to God, you know, we're off for max allocation. So trade copy is on. We're just going to fucking send it. One account's cool, yeah, but like ain't going to get us no fucking, yeah, you know what I'm saying. So alright, so market opens in 1 minute. So what I would say is we have a clear resistance, right? Price has struggled to, you know, break above this area. Now for support, I would say we have like a bit of a trend going on right now. Short off of this area. So market's just opened. So we've come down, we've bounced off of this trend. It's come down, tested this trend. So this trend is definitely valid. So I'm not trading on my live account today. I want to pass these accounts first and then get to live. It's bouncing off of that support, as you can see. Let's see. Just to be sure. struggling here. Whoa. Break. Give it a sec, give it a sec, give it a sec, give it a sec, give it a sec. Boom.
Order filled. Order filled.
In that bitch. Boys, I'm not even gonna lie, this is fucking well annoying. I was screen recording whatever the fuck this is instead of my actual profit and loss. Bear with me, this is just gonna be some bullshit, but like, it's so annoying. This is on, I believe, like, so this is across 4 accounts right now. Yeah, she's going. Yeah, she's gone. She's gone. She's gone. She's gone. She's gone. She's gone. 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 Go on. Give us our bag. Oh, and she's fucking. Oh!
Order filled.
Jesus Christ. 1.2k across 4 accounts. You fucking mad. Gee. So as you can see, across 4 accounts, we just hit fucking heavy. Just like that. Boom. Boom. Every single account, bro. That's a fucking mad. So we just made what? $4,800 across 4 accounts? Jesus Christ. Max allocation is brazy, you know. But yeah, in and out of that trade. Yo, boom. So there we are. So on this trade, usually on evaluations, especially on the first account, I was risking $1,000 per trade. Today I was risking $600. With it being like 4 accounts that I've all got at the same time, I'd rather like de-risk a little bit because it's not 1 account I'm paying for, it's 4. Do you know what I'm saying? So $600 risk, we hit a 1 to 2. Yeah, cool. That's how I'm gonna do it, and then I'll do this for the next 2-3 days with the same risk, and hopefully pass all fucking 4 of these accounts by the end of the week, and then we max allocated, because that would be fucking gangster. So boys, if you don't already follow me on Instagram, you'll see like I put all my chart updates every day, end of week charts, like what I made, trading Asia session gold, like everything, right? Boom. So here it is. Check it. So I put this on my Instagram story, right? It says today is October the 1st. My goal before the end of the year is to acquire 250k across my accounts, right? TopStep 50k. You can only have 5 accounts max. It's called max allocation, right? In January, bearing in mind in January, I didn't have a clue how to do what I'm doing now. It took me 9 months to reach and pass my first ever 50k. Now I'm aiming to add another 200,000 in capital in just the last 3 months. It sounds far-fetched, but I'm driven enough to find a way and somehow to figure it out. Notice my language. I'm not saying I need or I want. Those words come from desperation and lack. I've realized I'm no longer chasing my goals. Instead, I am focusing on building the habits and the mindset of someone who already has what I desire. When I focus on controlling my inputs, the right outputs will naturally follow. I want to publicly document this, as you guys are seeing, because I have strong fulfillment in inspiring and breaking barriers to inside box belief, showing what is possible, that if I can do it, so can you. I'll keep you updated whether I fail or succeed. Wish me luck. So boys, I was planning on doing this shit by the end of the year. You know what? I was like, fuck it. I was like chatting to my girls, like, I want to go to this country, I want to fly there, I want to be able to buy this, I want to stay at this place, eat this food with this restaurant, take care of my mum, my dad, my brother, all this shit, my sister, like everything. And I'm like, why the fuck am I even waiting for that? I'm like, yo, if I can't bet on myself, then who the fuck's gonna bet on me? If I can't bet on myself, right, then what the fuck is the point of me even posting this shit in the first place, right? Because if I can't bet on myself, if I have no belief that this shit's gonna happen, then I'm just gonna make myself look like a dickhead in front of thousands of people, in front of all of you guys, and it won't be worth it. And I was like, you know what? If I really believe in myself and back myself, right, I'm like, fuck this. I'm gonna go all in. I've taken the money from my London session, right? You boys have seen me doing the 100 to 1,000 in London session. I'll be honest with you boys, that profit's withdrawn. I put it all into my new accounts, and the profit's there from them accounts, plus my payout, that when I pass all these 4 accounts, right, that's all going to have to go on the reactivation fees. It's going to cost me nearly $1,000, around $700 to activate all these accounts combined. Bro, I need all the dough I can get right now, bro. So just fucking bear with me, yeah? That's going on activation fees, and I'm getting these fucking accounts. Bro, understand when I have max allocation, right? Understand when I have max allocation, like, let's do the numbers. Let's do the fucking numbers, right? How much you can make when max allocated with TopStep. This is what I'm going to show you, right? And this is going to be my plan. So let's say with one account, we're risking $400 to make $800. That's a 1 to 2 every single day on NQ, NASDAQ, right? We've just done a 1 to 2. We risk $600 because I'm passing an evaluation. I'm more heavy with these accounts because they're evaluations. There's opportunity cost involved by not being funded. So I risk heavier on these accounts. But let's say we're now funded and we're now live. So now on an Express account, right? Look, one account, 400 to 800. We're making $800 per winning trade, right? Let's say 2 accounts. Across 2 accounts, we're risking $800 across 2 accounts to make $1,600 a trade, right? Across 3 accounts, $1,200 to make $2,400 a day. But across 5 accounts, like we've just done today, 5 accounts, we're risking $2,000 across all 5 accounts to make $4,000 profit per fucking day. Cool. Now let's take 20 trading days. Let's give 60% win rate, right? 60% win rate, right? So I need a calculator. I need a fucking, in fact, I can just do it on your car. So let's say 60% of 20. That's 12 winning days, right? So let's do the maths. We now know 5 accounts on a winning day is $4,000. Let's do 12 times 4,000 equals $48,000 in profits. Now we are going to lose 8 of them days, right? That's not even considering break even. That's just, imagine we're taking full loss, right? So 48,000 is the profit. Now let's do 8 times 2,000, because we're risking 2,000 a day to make 4,000. So 16,000. So now if we do 48,000, take away 16,000, we're left with a grand total of 32,000, right? Now understand with TopStep, now I didn't understand this, but with TopStep, you can withdraw 50% of your profits. So $32,000 in profit for over 5 accounts, divide that by 5, you've made $6,400 per account, right? That's what we've done. This is in the month. This is throughout the month, right? So in the month, you just made $6,400 per one account. Now, if you want to take away, if you want to go for a payout, divide that by 2, because you can only withdraw 50%. Withdraw $3,200 per account. Now, if you have 5 of them bitches, you're withdrawing $16,000 per month on just a 60% win rate on 1 minute, on 1 trade a day. So we do 32k profit across all accounts in 20 trading days on 60% win rate, 16k payout because we can only withdraw 50%. This is the difference, bro. So you go from taking maybe 3k, 4k a month from one account, or if you get 5 of them bitches, you're withdrawing 16, 20k a month, like, and this is on low 60% with like simple risk. This isn't even talking about building a buffer and then doubling your risk or like adding to your risk. So rather than risking 400 on one account, we can now risk 2 minis, which will be 800 account over an account. So just double this shit. You could literally be looking at making 32, 40k a month off 5 accounts. Tell me I'm lying. I don't give a fuck. If you don't think you can do this, I don't give a fuck. This is something I'm going to work towards and do. But yeah, boys, I've just given you my blueprint, what I'm thinking of doing. And we'll see if it plays out. I don't give a fuck. Motherfuckers in the comments love to doubt me. But yo, as soon as we pass the funding, they're all gone, shh. So I don't give a fuck. Yeah, another winning day, boys. And yeah, I'm going to be dropping a back testing video to do with bank holidays alongside this. So yo, if you aren't already, sub the fuck up. And if you want to know my daily updates, follow me on Instagram. Because that's where you know whether I win, lose, break even every single day. So yeah, boys, keep it fucking... Another day, another dollar. And boys, how long have I been saying that shit for? Another day, another dollar. We soon may actually be seeing fucking real cash dollars. But yeah, besides that, boys, go get your dick sucked and peace. Oh shit, yo, boys, as well. I just remembered that this account that I'm doing the lead, that I'm having as the master account for copy trading, I forgot I'm actually about to pass this one as well, which is literally fucking $600 off. So one more trade and this bitch is fucking passed as well. Completely forgot about that. So yeah, this should be passed hopefully tomorrow, and then we'll pass the other 3 at some point this week. Come on.